Welcome back to Country White Jamaican channel. This morning I'm feeling nice because when I look I see I really actually reached 1400 subscribers and really couldn't believe. So big up on yourself and thank you very much for your support and keep the comments coming in because beginning to feel like a no and I'm enjoying it a whole heap. So I hope you are too, right? Today I'm going to talk about the farm that I had in Jamaica. And I'm going to talk about a little bit how the Higglers used to come and chop up my things, but soon tell you about that, right? So anyway, on the farm, I can't even tell you all the something we do on that farm. Like every little thing. One time I grow flowers for the flower shop them in town and Montego Bay and all about. And the next time we have Peking duck. We used to do duck for the Chinese restaurant them. And we had beef cattle, red Jamaica red pole. And we used to butcher them and carry the carcass them go to town and put in the housewife them freezer. And next time we had goat. And when kidding season, in the early morning I have to come out of my bed and go in the goat pen and draw out the goat kid sometime out of the mother and clear off the teeth of the goat teeth so that the kid can drink milk and hold up a noise when kidding season. And we had chicken. And the picnic them used to have to go in the chicken pen and pick up eggs and clean egg and pack them for go to market. And sometimes the chicken pick them foot and all that, and it was pure excitement. And we had dairy cow, and we used to milk the cow them and sell the milk go Nestle. And so when you milk cow now, you have to take away the calf from the mother and look after the calf different and milk the cow so that the milk the calf would get you get it for go sell to Nestle. And so we had this little pen outside the bedroom window where we put the calf then when we take them off the mother. And then bawl for them mother, oh gosh. So at night time you couldn't sleep whenever you take them off. And the mother trying to reach a calf and the calf trying to reach the mother. And it's pure drama again. And then next time now we decided, say, alright, we're going to do little cash crop. So we did a whole heap of things. We did pumpkin and we did Irish potato. And we did yam and sweet pepper and cucumber, you name it, we tried it, right? So one time now we have this pretty pumpkin crop, like a whole field of pumpkin. And my husband take him truck and go down in the field, and my nephew and my sons them and everybody, the workers them on the farm, and we all packing up this stuff in the back of the pumpkin in the back of the truck, and we bring it up to the house, and then we have to unpack it back now onto the veranda. And we had this mountain of pumpkin on the veranda. And I said, alright now, make we send out the word to the Higglers, let them come buy the pumpkin. So carload of Higglers used to start coming up, little by little. And I said them come up on them on the veranda and them talking to one another and looking at the pumpkin. And to me the pumpkin it looked beautiful, real pretty. So them come out now and I see one lady draw out a knife. I said, so she must be cutting the pumpkin to see how it look nice, and you know, she go and just tell me how nice it is and thing. My girl cut up the little top up the little triangle out of the top of the pumpkin and she start chop. And the next lady me see over the other side out of the corner my eye she a cut too. And I say, wait, what am I do? So next you look, you see one pile of pumpkin with this little triangle thing cut out of it, and them cut it out and push it back in, oh so nice, you know. But it cut out and you can see it and say, so maybe them going to take all of those and them just going to chop them where them put the hole and sell them. No. The one them chop, some of them drop one side and them not take them. So I say, when me going to sell them a pumpkin after them chop the hole in them? Who going to want that? Well, that was that story. And the next time now, we decided so we're going to do a little project with Miniset Yam. And the Miniset Yam was directly for export market. And the whole idea was supposed to get straight and narrow yam so that them can send it on the trailer to foreign, and you know that's what them want. Them want the straight and thing. Them don't want no big fat yam and all of that. So I say alright. So we call the exporters and them coming with them crew, and we have the yam sitting there waiting for them, and them come and me see a next knife come out. And I say alright, yeah true. Them have to cut off the yam head and give us back for plant for next year. So no problem. But when me see how low down on the yam them a cut the yam, me say no sir, this couldn't be real. So that was our next experience again. And I said to myself, say, you know, say, me not bother with this farming thing. Me rather the cow them and the goat, but me not do the crops. You know what I'm going to do? Me go and turn Higgler. So I say, alright, me go and buy, link up with all the farmers them in the area, find out what them a grow, them know what them a do, and maybe them don't get burned like this yet, so maybe try that. And then we go carry them crops now to town, to the supermarket, restaurant, whatever. So I link up with some farmers and I start to buy all the different things, them tomato, them start grow herbs like arugula and basil and mint and you name it, them had it, tomato, pawpaw, banana, everything was carrying go to town, right? So me and the next guy, my son gave him name Dado. Me and Dado decides that we're heading out and we pack up the two, pick up, gone to town with these things, and we reach a supermarket. And when we reach a supermarket now, we have to line up and wait our turn because other else people selling what them have to sell. And we wait. Finally we get up there and we feel so nice because we know that we pick out the best of everything and we come with it and we're ready for sell now. When we sell to the people, same thing reach we. Them start to feel up everything, touch up everything, look down them nose at you like, what you think you bring come? And you feel good about what you bring to, you know. So I said to myself right on the spot, I say, you know, say, farmers in Jamaica work hard. You know, say, them have it hard. And Higglers have it hard too, as a matter of fact. So I say, you know what? Enough respect to every farmer and every Higgler in Jamaica. Enough respect to uno. Tell you the truth. And me just go and stick. Me prefer the cow and the goat. And I eat that. Right? So that's my little story. I hope you enjoy it. Please make sure you have respect for them because they work hard. Yeah? Next time. And remember to like, subscribe, comment. I love to hear what you have to say. And I'll see you on the next video. One love.